how to redeem Minecraft Java gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can redeem your Minecraft Java gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to redeem your Minecraft Java gift card, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply open up your browser and you just have to go to minecraft.net/redeem. So you don't have to type in this ENUS and all, just go to minecraft.net/redeem. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Then log into your Microsoft or your Minecraft account over here. After you've done that, you'll say redeem your Minecraft tokens here. So here this is redeeming Java and Bedrock edition for PC. If you scroll down here, you have the redeem Minecraft Java edition. So since you're trying to redeem the Java edition, you have to tap on this option that is redeem Java edition here. Then after you've done that, you simply need to confirm your details, which is your Microsoft account or whatever else, enter the code, and then you'll be able to redeem your Minecraft gift card. This way you'll be able to redeem Minecraft Java gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.